So, very good day to everybody. So, this is what we are going to discuss about today's session. We'll discuss about the deep insights about Academia.edu. It's a powerful indexing website, just like Google Scholar, just like ResearchGate. You can index your research papers in Academia.edu, and very recently, Academia has come up with a new experimental open access journal. So what you call it to be Academia letters. So that's the latest feature we have with Academia. And before going into Academia, I should tell you that some 5-6 years back, when I created the profile in Academia.edu, they say 5% of the overall research publications get cited or maybe gets followed when you um, index your research paper in Academia. Okay, so this is once again a powerful platform to index your research papers. Okay. So what we are going to do actually in Google, you have Academia. Okay, right? So research for Academia, you have this website. Okay, this is Academia. This is the social networking website. So here you have Academia.edu share research. Okay, so this is the website I'm talking about. So what you do, you try to create your profile. So here, like when I type Academia.edu and I have logged into my uh, account in Academia, so that's the reason I'm getting this profile pic over here. Okay, so that's what I told you. The latest feature is Academia Letters. Okay, Academia Letters, it's a new experimental open access journal. Actually, if I click on this Learn More, okay, I'll be getting access to the Academia Letters. Okay, so I can publish short articles. I can even go for broader versions as well. But Academia suggests to publish shorter, smaller articles. So what you can do, you can publish whatever articles you want to, just like a journal. You can publish the articles. See, there are several who have published various research articles even regarding COVID-19 even. Okay, and once again,
Yes.
just like an international journal, so Academia.edu, it is going to have its peer reviewers. Okay, so whenever you submit a research paper into a journal, what it does, normally they will be assigning you the manuscript ID. Okay, and after that they will try to review the paper. So it is not about the journal alone try to review the paper. They will have some editorial board members and then review board members. Okay, so the review board members or maybe the reviewers, they will try to review the paper accordingly, and they will be giving you some suggestions. Okay, and after that, if it is accepted, they will say it is accepted, and there are some processing charges involved. And when you pay for these the processing charges, then they will tell the tentative date of publication, and it will be published accordingly. So this is how the papers are getting published. Same thing, Academia Letters, they have their own peer reviewers. Okay, so they accept or reject the article, and if it is accepted, means the article goes for publication. And still, before publication, they have to submit another final camera ready paper. And after publication, Academia Letters will distribute this article to the reader base, so which means that this article is publicly available. So everybody tries to read the paper, everybody tries to follow this paper. And according to the article that is being published, several researchers can comment on these articles. So it's offering a wide range of viewers as well. And there are featured authors with Academia Letters also, and there are author testimonials as well. Okay, so if I'm clicking on this submit article, I can get an insight about what I'm trying to publish. Maybe I can click on this I agree to Academia Letters, and I can submit the article title, article first author, last name. Okay, I have my mail ID that's inbuilt. Okay, and the phone number as well, the affiliation, research interest I can mention, the article, the abstract, the article body, everything I can copy paste, references as well. But make sure you follow one particular format, MLA style or maybe APA style or maybe Chicago style, or maybe Vancouver style. Okay, so try to follow one article format so that it's very useful for you, so that you can get yourself cited or maybe followed by the other authors. So this is how you try to send the research papers to academia letters. And there are some author as well as reviewer guidelines as well, so you can go through this one. So they do not accept the fiction or maybe op-eds as well. And the review process is also given. You can have a note about this one. So for a publication fee, it charges like around like $500. Okay, so when it is being accepted, you have to pay now some $500. So if you're done with it, your article will have a widespread reach. So this is one such important stuff from Academia.edu. Very recently they have come up with this new feature as well. So here we have like mentions. Okay, I can search for authors, I can search for research interest, I can search for institutions, I can search for universities also, this in this search section. Okay, and here I have the mention is actually a premium service of Academia.edu. So if I've activated the premium service, which means that my the authors which mention my name is given here. So if I've activated the premium service, then I would get all the statistics about my name in what of the papers, like I have my name. Okay, who are those who followed my research works, I can get a deep insight. Okay, so if you activated this premium service, it's a good thing to look at. And similarly, we have the letters, what you have to be academic letters. I have already discussed about this one. You can submit the paper, you can view the author guidelines and reviewer guidelines as well, and you can see the process that's being involved. Okay, so they are charging like $500 for publication. So if you want to, you can do that. It is having a good reach. And similarly, we have training section called as the courses. Okay, so here Academia.edu offers like several courses. So you can go through all the courses. You can upgrade yourself to access the courses as well. So that's what it's all about. Activating the premium service. So if you have activated the premium service, then you will get the courses quite reachable as well. Say for example, introduction to pagan studies, introduction to canon law, okay, something related to religious, okay, and similarly to the research article, software development and technology like Ruby programming, machine level programming, HTML5. Okay, so whenever you study with any courses, normally you go for Udemy. Okay, so similar way, Academia.edu is offering like several courses, training sessions as well, and several motivational sessions are there. Okay, how to succeed as a graduate student, how to apply for academic scholarship. So they are offering like several videos. Okay, and practical psychological process as well, professional development as well. They have philosophy and history, education. Like for example, if I am a teacher, how can teachers contribute to a better society? Okay, so I'm having an insight about each and everything. For example, if you are a bachelor student, or maybe if you are a master student, you want to write a research paper. So regarding with academic writing, you have some videos. Okay, so also with design, with STEM technology in biology. Okay, how to accelerate your career, what are the jobs that you have to look for. Okay, now what are the humanity prospects, okay, like the literature, the architecture views as well. And regarding with the economics and business, you have an access. So it's all about how you try to upgrade to access the courses. So Academia is a powerful platform where you get access to jobs, you get access to the the several services as well, premium services as well, so that you can get access to several training sessions. So here they charge like around 2699 in Indian rupees. So you can convert it into the corresponding USD as well, and you can pay for the courses. You can enjoy these videos, and it's a good thing that you can uh, have a deep insight about the courses that you can do. So courses are nothing but something that will help you to learn, that will help you to gain experience, that will help you to get the required training for your dream jobs, for your companies, industries, organization. Maybe your industry or maybe your company might ask you to master one particular tool or maybe one particular course. So Academia.edu is also a powerful option that you can go through. And I have like several tools in Academia.edu. Here I can go for advanced search as well. There are PDF packs. You can translate even, and this is we have the notification option called search alert. So it's all about how many research papers have followed me, how many of them mention my name. Okay, what are the deep research areas that which I can try to follow. I can translate the required text. Okay, so this is all about how you activate my premium service. Okay, for translation, for my personal website, even Academia.edu offers a personal website. Okay, for example, I have my own personal website like christoananth.com, and I pay a domain fee, okay, every year. Similarly, Academia.edu through its premium services offers you a personal website, so you can create your personal website with Academia. Even I can browse and I can search for academic jobs as well. So that's also a greater thing. Okay, so like whenever I'm going for um, you know building a personal website, they will ask you, well, what is the reason? Okay, maybe to reach a larger audience. Okay, I can do that. Okay, I'm in research. Okay, let us take the case. Okay, maybe I try to add this profile picture, and if I try to maybe go for continue, I can select the section I want to, and I can create my own personal website. But make sure you have activated the premium service, only then it gets accessible to you. And then you have the job board. So just like ResearchGate, you will have access to several Academia.edu jobs. Okay, like we have the International Partnership Coordinator, Safety Abroad Advisor, Teaching Professor. You have like Visiting Assistant Professor of Linguistics. Like if you are looking for Visiting Professor working online, or maybe once in a while you go to the university, then you can apply whatever you want. Vice President, Research and Innovation, Laboratory Coordinator. Okay, you can also apply for research grants, research funds as well here. So normally what we do, we apply through any government agency. Okay, similarly, Academia.edu offers a platform where you can apply for any research grants, not teaching as well as student programs as well. You can get admission whatever you want. Okay, and there are research grants especially for the students and for the faculties as well, and they have given some domain as well. Okay, so there's also several jobs that are popping up, so you can go through them. So whatever it is suitable for you, you can apply, but make sure you have uploaded your CV and your required like cover letter and necessary material, so you can apply directly. So it will redirect you to the the job website as well, so you can apply. Some jobs will ask you for CV and the cover letter, while the other jobs it will ask you to redirect to their website, and you can apply on their personal website, their academic or maybe institutional website as well. Here there is a section called upload. Okay, so like I'm getting some suggestions. Okay, like this was actually my paper. Okay, this is me. Okay, so maybe if I click on this one, okay, I can add to this profile. Okay, add to my profile. But if there is something else, then I need not have to add. That's a thing. So Academia from time to time, because of its collaboration with Google, so it's offering some suggestions. I can add them I want to. And there's one more thing I want to share with you. For example, let us take in the case some author, some researcher was trying to follow my paper, or maybe was trying to search my name, or maybe was trying to get something out of my research articles which I have indexed in Academia, then immediately I will get a notification through the mail ID that somebody has searched for me. Okay, so that's a good thing. Okay, maybe in the last hour somebody has searched for Christo Ananth. So I'm getting a notification via mail. So that's a good thing, because that particular author or maybe that particular researcher maybe would have tried to access my articles. Okay, would have tried to follow me. So that's the reason I'm getting a notification in the email ID. Okay. So this is one powerful feature of Academia.edu. I can even upload my own document as well. I can upload a letter via academic letters, okay? And I can upload a video, even a class lecture or maybe conference presentation, research summary, even I can add. Okay. Whenever it comes to uploading articles, I can go for a published paper, I can go for an unpublished draft work, book, preprint, dissertation, thesis, book chapter, okay, conference article as well, magazine article, newspaper article, pattern. Okay, I can go for each of them. Even I can go for a syllabus. I can go for a poster of my college event or maybe institutional event as well. So this is also a powerful way that you can try to search articles. So here, yes, so you can upload a letter, you can upload a video as well, and so that's a good thing. Whenever you go for the profile section, the my profile, okay, I can go for this profile section with regards to the description as well. Maybe this is something that you should watch too, because the description what you try to maintain is a personal or maybe an academic description, okay, about you. So it can have details about your name, okay. You can give the details about the the affiliation, your degree, okay, the research works, the research areas you are trying to concentrate, and you can showcase your awards, even you can showcase your memberships, personal professional memberships as well, and you can give a list of the review profiles as well, like how many journals you have been part of, and how many journals papers you have reviewed, the memberships as well you can want to, and you can add your contact number as well, you can add your address even. So that's also one such thing where you can add the description. Once again, I'm telling you about this point. Whenever it comes to giving the name, try to mention a common name that's well known to you. Okay, so whenever I'm mentioning the name, okay, like Christo Ananth, so it should be Christo Ananth. It shouldn't be Dr. Christo Ananth or maybe Dr. C.A. or maybe C. Ananth. Okay, so try to mention a common name so that everybody tries to get access to it. Okay. Like for example, here I have the the followed list as well. Like I have like 120 followers, 40 following, and there have been 4 co-authors as well. So in my research articles which I have published, like I had like around 4,300 total views. So that's also one thing. I can see a deep insight about the statistics, about the research profiles I can have. Okay, here in the section I have the email ID, I have my Twitter profile, I have my LinkedIn profile, and similarly I have the Google Scholar profile as well. So everything comes in link. So I can directly click on this Twitter profile from here, I can directly click on the LinkedIn profile from here, I can directly click on the Google Scholar profile from here. Okay, maybe if I click on this email ID option, I can directly email to that person of I can directly email to the researcher which I am trying to follow. So that's also one thing. And here in the article section, you have access to several articles. Like for example, you have papers, you have drafts, you have books, you have thesis chapters, you have teaching documents, and then you have talks as well. So my humble suggestion, when you go through Google Scholar, I have already discussed with you. So whenever you go with Google Scholar, I advised everybody that don't go for only research articles, don't go for only publications, don't go for only conference articles. Instead, you go for several ways. Okay, like maybe you can go for journal articles, you can go for conference articles, newspaper articles, magazine articles, books, okay, engineering textbooks, okay, or maybe reference books, book chapters, okay, or maybe dissertation, thesis, project, okay. So go for several memberships, okay, go for organization board as well. You can be an advisory committee member for any organization. You can be a professional member of several professional bodies in and around the globe, so that also you can add them. So Google Scholar, ResearchGate, Academia, offers several ways that you can popularize yourself. So it is how you try to popularize, how you try to advertise about yourself with regards to professional front. Okay. So here I have like 97 papers, 6 drafts. 6 drafts means it has not been published even, and books even, thesis chapters, teaching documents, and I have talks even. Like for every article, I'm having a insight. For example, if I see over here, it is having like 42 views. Okay, maybe if I activated the premium service, then I can see who are the readers who have read my paper. Okay, I can even click on the download. I can go for the edit option as well. And here in Academia, according to the premium service, it says I have like 10 engaged readers, and there are 5 related papers regarding or maybe related to my area of interest. Okay, I can even click on the impact event. Okay, right. So this is a way. For example, if I try to click on this article, I can have the statistics about this particular research paper. Like for example, here I can have the description about this paper, even the full text version I can have. Okay, who are the authors, what are the research areas. Okay? I can even go for translation of PDF if I have activated the premium service. Okay, I can go for download full PDF package if I have activated the premium service as well, and I can see detailed statistics even if I've activated the premium service. So that's what I'm telling you. So for each of the cases, you have to activate the premium service. Only then it's quite useful for you. Okay. I can view the impact as well. So if I click on this view impact, once again it will be redirecting to the premium service. So for accessing courses, for getting access to wide range of jobs, okay, even for building your own personal website with Academia, for everything premium service is a must. Okay, so they have mentioned it that way. Okay. And yes, so here I have my profiles, and I have my messages as well. I should show you, some of the messages which I have. Okay, like for example, somebody has tried to follow my work, and they have downloaded my work, and whenever somebody is trying to download your work, they will leave a reason for downloading. For example, you are wonderful, keep it up. Okay, or maybe they don't want to mention the name. They don't want to mention the reason. Simply they type it A, B, C, D, and so on. Okay, so even they have sir, I'm planning for a research on identification of autism. So I have published a magazine article on autism, early intervention theory. So that's the reason for carrying out the research work. they have downloaded this paper or maybe the article, and they have left a reason for downloading. Okay, so messages is one area that everybody tries to follow you, or maybe everybody tries to get in touch with you. So you will have a good chance to elaborate your network, to build your network, and you can come up with several collaborated projects, collaborated research works, or maybe they try to follow our work, they try to extend our work. So it happens. So research is one such field which never dies. And I'm also getting a notification. Okay, so in academia we have like notification, like somebody recently saw my works. Okay, I have like 5 recent mentions as well. My article was being searched, my article was recently followed. Okay, my name has been mentioned 6 times. So these are something which we can have a look at, and we can see that we have been followed. Okay, so yes, so this is one such platform where you get a deep insight about who is following, and what now how many of them have cited your work. And here in the the rating history as well, as I've told you earlier, it's all about activating the premium service. Even you have the reading history as well. For example, I have recently read these papers as well, so I can see a list of works which I have read. So this is also one such platform where I can get a list of all my reading history. Maybe after some days, after some months, I can once again go through them, and maybe I can try to take something from their article. And I have the account settings as well. So here in the account settings, I can even go for editing the the name as well, the login, the profile URL I can have to. So actually the profile URL is mainly about your institution which I'm trying to work. Okay, maybe I'm working in an institution called XYZ, so it will be like XYZ slash or maybe XYZ dot academia.edu slash Christo Ananth. So it will be like this way. And whenever I have gone for the premium subscription, I will get the details about the premium subscription. Okay, and I have like email notifications as well. So I can choose to make it off or maybe on. So whenever I choose it on, I will get several features, several announcements, special offers from academia, and somebody starts following, somebody publishes a paper, somebody tries to send a message to me, or maybe somebody recommends a paper I try to save in my library. Everything I will be getting the notification. Also about the analytics, like there are several mentions about my paper, like this weekly summary, monthly summary, yearly summary, okay, quarterly summary. I can get a detailed analytics. Okay. And discussions also. For example, if you are trying to join a group, if you are trying to join a member group where you can collaborate, so that also, that approval status also you will get. Okay. And also about my papers, like somebody has recommended a paper, somebody has added co-author, also the invite suggestions also I can get. For example, I have collaborated with one author, but that author is not in academia, then they will say, okay, you can invite this person, okay, as a co-author. So if I know his or maybe her email ID, I can add this person to academia, and they will be getting the notification. And if they click on this yes, and they can join academia directly. So similar to ResearchGate, you will have all the features, okay, here in academia. And there are also other emails as well. So Like as I told you, you get access to jobs, you get access to the training courses, you get access to how to build up your personal website. Okay, there are several mentions as well. Okay, so you can translate even in other languages. So that's also one powerful feature. And the language settings, even I can choose the languages in which my news feed better fits onto. So I can go through the language settings as well, and you can select the languages you want. Also the social media profiles, whatever social media profile I'm connected to, I can display this one. Okay, and it is offering a better linkage with the other social platforms as well. And then I have my privacy settings, like people I have papers I have saved in my library, and the co-authors which I'm trying to follow. Everything I'm getting a detailed analytics. So I have chosen to make my analytics profile public, and that's the reason I'm getting all this stuff. And then blocking and reporting. And suppose if somebody tries to harass me, somebody tries to bully me, somebody tries to spam me, then I can block the users, I can report the users I want to. So since February 2014 I have been a member, so it has been almost like 8 years I have been member of this Academia.edu, and I have enjoyed working in Academia.edu. And here like mentions advanced analytics, profile visitors, readers. Okay, I can activate my premium service, and there is one such area called basic analytics. So this is similar to the research gate. Actually, I can see that my research works have been getting some good reach. Okay, maybe the last week or maybe last month. Okay, I'm getting a good reach. Okay, so I can see the profile visitors. If I have activated the premium service, I can see the impact as well. For example, if I click on this impact, I can see there were 37 unique visitors. There have been 22 downloads of my paper. There has been 48 views. Okay, this has happened in the last 30 days. Okay, and from 10 universities, people have done that. Okay, and the details of the universities are there. Okay, and the various research fields. Okay, the job titles, traffic sources. So I can see which of my articles it is performing well. Okay, which of my articles has gained a huge response. Okay, maybe like if I click on these papers, I can see them. Okay, even the countries, even okay, so from several countries, I have had a good reach. Even I can see a list of countries which has shown interest. So that detailed analytics also, 30-day views, all-time views also they have done. Paper engagement also I can see, like this particular paper was the all-time favorite among my all other papers. So that's also a good thing to watch at. So maybe you can focus on the enhancement of this particular paper. So that's also one such good thing. Or you can go for a new paper as well. Also there are keywords as well. Like this was the popular keyword that they have searched or maybe researched with my profile. So that's also you can go through. Okay, and also there are external links as well. So you can go through these the external links if you want to. You can see that for example, from Bing.com they have tried to access this article. From Google Scholar they have got access to this article. Okay, more from Google Scholar, maybe some from Yandex.com. Okay, some from Facebook, some from my own website. Okay, there are several search engines which is going to offer you this website, and from this website they have got through this research paper. So that's also a good feeling that your work is being recognized. Okay. So as I told you, from which country, from which state they were trying to access this paper. So that's also a greater feature. Even with the basic service, you are able to see all these details. If you have activated the premium service, you would have got access with several services. As I told you, jobs, the mentions, personal website, even with advanced search about other researchers, okay, other papers, okay, an extended network, training, materials, okay, videos. So there are plenty more features that Academia.edu is doing, and even with the case of Academia Letters, an open access journal as well. So you will have a widespread. So that's a key feature of about Academia.edu. So if you have any suggestions, or maybe if you have any personal experience with Academia.edu, you can share them.